Welcome to our channel. Creating a chatbot using open source tools is an excellent way to learn about natural language processing and build an interactive assistant for your website or application. Step 1. Choose your chatbot framework, such as Rasa, BotPress, or Chatterbot, based on your technical skill level and project requirements. Step 2. Install Python on your computer if you haven't already, as most chatbot frameworks are built using this programming language. Step 3. Set up a virtual environment to keep your chatbot project dependencies isolated from other Python projects on your system. Step 4. Install your chosen chatbot framework using pip by running the installation command in your terminal. Step 5. Create a new chatbot project using the framework's initialization command, which will generate the necessary file structure and configuration files. Step 6. Define intents, which are the different types of questions or requests your chatbot should understand and respond to. Step 7. Create training data by writing example phrases for each intent, helping your chatbot learn to recognize similar questions from users. Step 8. Write responses for each intent, determining what your chatbot should say when it recognizes a particular type of question. Step 9. Train your chatbot model using the training data you've created, allowing it to learn patterns in natural language. Step 10. Test your chatbot by running it in a terminal or integrating it into a web interface. Then refine your training data based on how it performs. Your chatbot is now ready to interact with users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.